Hello everybody, welcome back to 2 Tech Explorers, the channel where we explore latest developments in technology. In this video, we will discuss about Super Intelligent AI. Super Intelligent AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that surpass human intelligence in virtually all areas of cognitive ability. It represents the concept of AI systems that possess not just human-level intelligence, but intelligence that far exceeds human capabilities. Here are some details about Super Intelligent AI. 1. Advanced cognitive abilities. Super Intelligent AI systems possess highly advanced cognitive abilities, surpassing human intelligence in areas such as reasoning, problem-solving, learning, creativity, and decision-making. They can process and understand vast amounts of information at an unprecedented speed and accuracy. 2. Rapid learning and adaptation. Super Intelligent AI systems have the capacity to learn and acquire new knowledge and skills at an accelerated pace. They can rapidly analyze data, identify patterns, and extract insights to improve their own performance. Super Intelligent AI may exhibit extraordinary adaptability to various domains and problem-solving scenarios. 3. Superior problem solving. Super Intelligent AI systems can tackle complex problems and challenges that may be beyond human comprehension or capabilities. They can employ advanced algorithms, simulations, and predictive models to develop innovative and optimal solutions to a wide range of problems. 4. Autonomous self-improvement. Super Intelligent AI systems possess the ability to improve their own capabilities autonomously. They can analyze their own performance, identify areas for enhancement, and iteratively upgrade themselves, leading to a potentially exponential growth in intelligence. This self-improvement process is referred to as recursive self-improvement. 5. Understanding and manipulating human world. Super Intelligent AI systems have an advanced understanding of the human world, including human behavior, emotions, desires, and social structures. They can effectively interact with humans, communicate, and manipulate their environment to achieve their objectives. 6. Ethical and control considerations. Super Intelligent AI raises profound ethical and control challenges. Ensuring that super intelligent AI systems align with human values, respect ethical principles, and can be controlled is crucial. The potential for superintelligence to outpace human control or to act in ways contrary to human values is a significant concern. 7. Speculative future implications. Superintelligent AI represents a speculative future scenario that is subject to intense debate and speculation. It raises questions about the impact on human society, the nature of intelligence, the potential for cooperation or conflict between humans and superintelligent AI, and even existential risks. It is important to note that superintelligent AI is currently a hypothetical concept and its development is not yet realized. While progress has been made in AI research and development, creating systems that surpass human intelligence in all areas remains an active area of exploration and speculation. Researchers, policymakers, and organizations continue to discuss and study the implications and challenges associated with superintelligent AI, ensuring that its development and deployment align with human values and interests. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We request you to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Also, please enable the bell button to get notifications about our latest videos on technology. Thank you.